In this video, I'll show you how to change your country or location in your Xbox account after you already made the account. And before we start, make sure you use the NordVPN link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price so you can safely access different regions and follow along without any issues. You can follow this method on either a computer or a mobile device, and the steps are exactly the same. I'm going to explain everything clearly so you don't miss anything. First, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft or Xbox website. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and tap on the account or user icon. This will take you to the sign-in page. Go ahead and sign in using the Microsoft account that is connected to your Xbox account. After you're logged in, go back to the top right corner again and click on your profile picture. From the menu that opens, select My Microsoft Account. This will redirect you to your Microsoft account dashboard, so just wait a few seconds for the page to fully load. Once you're inside your Microsoft account, look at the top menu and tap on Your Info. This section contains all of your personal account details. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Country or Region. Tap on it, and the page may take a moment to load. In some cases, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity again for security reasons, so just complete that step if it appears. Now you'll see a drop-down list where you can choose a different country or region. Open the list and select the country you want to change your Xbox account to. For example, if you've moved to another country, or you want your account set to a different region, you can select it here. After choosing the new country, confirm the change and save your settings. Once this is done, your Xbox account country or location will be updated, and this change will apply across your Microsoft and Xbox services. To make sure everything works smoothly and to safely access region-based content, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.